I have an outdoor garden, but I live in Michigan, which, if you don't know, gets super snowy in the winter for like most of the year. And having a garden or fresh anything is going to have to be grown inside. So that's where this amazing hydroponic grower comes in, which I am so excited about. This is one of the coolest things that I've got in a long time. And it's adjustable. And it has super simple installation. You basically get your own seeds, put in the right stuff, and there you go. You have fresh herbs and lettuces or veggies or whatever you want to grow in here. I got it all set up. They actually brag that you don't need any tools, and you don't. It just fits all right together. You have to screw some stuff together, but it probably only took me 10 minutes. I have it so you can see where you would pour in your water. There's right next to it, there's a water level indicator. When the seedlings are small, you want to put the domes on top. And it also comes with some awesome lids. So if you don't want to use a certain spot or to keep out algae growth. And that's what just the regular basket looks like. So you have a basket with your pre-made seed starters that has a little hole where you put your own seeds in. And you just fill this with water and turn the light on, and voila. So the LED light is adjustable, so I can move it closer to the seeds when they're younger so they can get a higher concentration of light. And then later, when they start growing, I can move it right up like that. The LED light is not going to use a lot of energy because they're super efficient, and it doesn't give off much heat at all. So you can run it 24 hours a day so that you have your seeds actually germinate faster. So I need to acquire some seeds and make a plan of what I'm going to put in my little home garden, but I can tell so far that I'm really going to like it. It's a super simple, intuitive design. I really like the quality, and I think it's going to last a long time, and I'm excited to get some plants in here and grow. Okay, a little update on the plants. They're growing well.